Hello! In this video, we will be teaching you to conduct a sale with SalonEZ. To start, first simply select an employee and then search and assign a customer. Now, let's talk about your sales screen. This is your sales screen, and to begin, you will want to select the service request by your customer. For this example, we will be selecting the deluxe pedicure. You can add special notes tailored for each experience. Or you can also change the price to a custom one if necessary, as seen here. You can add extra services tailored for each unique experience in order to fully cater to customers. You can also add discounts to show your appreciation for loyal customers. Or you can easily sell inventory to customers who want to take a bit of the salon experience home with them. Or even give out gift certificates or gift cards. Please note you will need a gift card slider to access this feature. You can assign custom amounts easily to each gift card. If you have any questions about this feature, please feel free to give us a call. Finally, to finish the transaction, click Checkout to see the variety of payment options ranging from cash, credit card, and even Zelle. Here, you can redeem gift cards and even add tips. This block allows you to ask your customers for direct feedback to boost your online presence if you wish to do so. Thank you for watching.